Once again, you were spot on. It touched the $2 within, I think, 1.5 cents. So you were there again. People could have traded 25, 30% again for the third time in a row. So I'm going to be quiet now. People want to hear from you. What's your thoughts now? If they took the profit when we suggested, are they buying back in at $2? And if they are, and if you think that's okay, where do they go from here? What's the next level? Over to you, Sensei.
Yeah, I'll put up my full screen and show you the charts. So yeah, I mean, we came down to the same level of support around the $2 level, 197 is where the support line is. It's basically $2, and we've already had a swing of 20% to the upside. So that is already a trade that some people were willing to take. Again, it's not financial advice. It's just a level of support, that was very realistically going to come down to. This circle I drew the other day saying we can come down for a double bottom. $2 again, that is a double bottom scenario. So some people might just be happy with that 20%, and they've probably already taken profits. The traders making 20% in a day and on leverage, especially if that's on leverage, that they could be doubling their money. Even if it's not on leverage, 20% in a day is an amazing trade. So people have probably already taken profits. So that double bottom scenario can start playing out. The initial upside is done. You got the 20%. I apologize about the quality. I'm not sure what's going on there, but the initial 20% move to the upside is completed. So congratulations, first part of the trade. Again, not financial advice. It's just the level of support. Buyers came in at $2. Now, if you're looking for a proper double bottom scenario where we try and get back to sort of all-time highs for XRP, then we come back to those resistance levels we're talking about. Remember, we gave you the warning a few weeks ago, 50%
Sensei, just 1 second. We have just switched to members only mode. So when Sensei finishes what he's saying now, he will be able to answer your question. So if you've got a question for Sensei, we are in members only mode. So everyone gets a chance to have their questions. Another one of our members' perks. Over to you, Sensei.
Yeah. So I was just saying a couple weeks ago, we did the 50% video. We got a 35% correction. Remember, another 50%. At some point, XRP will drop 50%. As Martyn says, it's not a matter of if, it's when. Whether that's in the bear market, whether that's tomorrow, always be prepared for big drops. However, we got to what we were looking for in the short term, and that short term drop was about a 35% move to the downside. Then we got the upwards move. Then we had that. Then we've got. A couple of days ago when I came live, I said, be very careful. We got a breach of an important level, but we didn't hold it as support. And then we got the crash back down to the $2. And now what we're looking for the people that are on the side and looking at this from more of a long-term perspective, who don't really care about this 20% move to the upside, which I think is absolutely incredible because it came back down to that support. The next trade is looking to see if this double bottom will hold. What does that mean? It means $2 will hold as a level of support. It means we start moving back above these levels of what they'll be regarded now as resistance: $2.28, $2.40, the famous $2.62 and $2.70. So it's just going to be a game of, are we going to hold $2? And are we? If we do hold $2, that's on the support side of things, and then the resistance levels start taking them out, and then we can start telling more bullish and start seeing this as a formal double bottom pattern to all-time highs. But so far, again, the trade's been completed. Not much to do now. I mean, we did the waiting. We got the $2. It'll be silly trying to FOMO in now or trying to take a trade now. The trade was literally done today. 20% gains to the upside. You don't have to trade every second of the day. You don't even have to trade if you don't want to. You might have added to your long-term position at $2. But again, it's not financial advice. It's just a level of support on a chart. $2, very important. And then there was also a bit of fundamental news coming out from Martyn, a bit of technicals are bearish, and that's why we came down to $2. Right now, I wouldn't be too eager to start trading this and start taking more positions. We've only just got the $2 target hit, so if you're on the bull side of this, let's just start taking out some resistance and start moving to the upside, but no specific trade. You don't have to trade every second of the day. Right now, we've got a very bullish day, 20% move to the upside, an amazing day for XRP, amazing day for the traders that took that position at $2, and that's what we were warning you about. That's what me and Martyn kept saying, and everyone was saying that we're bears on XRP. No, we're not. My target for this bull run, I'm taking lots of profits at $5, and I think XRP can make it to $10. So it's not that we're bears, it's just that we want to give you the correct information. Everyone else will keep saying it's going to go up to $100, $10 tomorrow. We're saying yeah, we think it's going to go to $5 main target, $10 is very possible, but it's going to be a rocky ride. And if you're not ready to ride the waves and take the trades along the way, then it's going to be a difficult time for you, and you're going to FOMO out at the wrong times. You're going to FOMO in at the wrong time. So I'm just here to tell you to break it down, bring you the charts, bring some sense into the stock, explain why these things are occurring, so that you guys can make level-headed decisions and get answers from different perspectives. And I think that's really important, having my perspective, having Martyn's perspective, doing your own research, and navigating the markets together. So that's my update on XRP. Congratulations on that $2. Thank you, Martyn, for continuing to bring the truth out and suggesting to people that don't be surprised if there's a crash. And that's what occurred, even though we took a lot of hate for it. But that has occurred. And again, it might go down further. There might be another 50% correction. There will be in the bear market. But for now, $2 is holding, and that's the area that's important at this moment in time.
Sensei, if you could come back onto main camera, I'd appreciate that. Yeah, thank you very much indeed. I know you're not feeling well. Can you give us a couple more minutes, or do you need to go straight away? Okay, thank you very much indeed. We are going to run out of time. We did say if we got 10 $1 super chats, Sensei would do a little bit extra for you. We've got 4 minutes left. The countdown is virtually gone, so you've got 4 minutes to do that if you want to do that. Otherwise, Sensei will be going. He's not feeling very well. We've got a couple of questions, and thank you for saying so, Sensei. The comments the compliments you paid me, I appreciate it. And yes, we do get. When we say we get hate, we reported on it this morning. I don't know if you saw that today's call-in, a very, 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 very aggressive, threatening email, which upset my wife tremendously this morning. I shared it with her, and I shouldn't have done it. That's my mistake. But yeah, we do get some people that are losing money, get very angry, and very, very aggressive, very unpleasant indeed. However, look at the chat, 98%, if not more. I can't say 99%, it would just sound ridiculous. But everyone's a member. We've got 720 members, Sensei. Everyone's a member. The views are going through the roof. It's great. But you only want one bad apple, and it's what you remember, sadly. And we're right. When we've been right about the market, we've been right about XRP, we've been right about the inflation, we've been right about just about everything, really, haven't we? We had a good run so far. So, got a couple of questions from Sensei, for Sensei. Saab Shergill has asked, got my 2,000 shares filled yesterday at 162. Did you get yours filled, Sensei?
Yeah, so Mobix, I bought some around 153. Then obviously it had that pump back up, and then I think I was 155. My shares got filled again on Mobix, so I'm not sure what it's trading at now, but I'm sure it's back above those levels. Hasn't
it recovered again really well today?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm having a look at it now. Mobix,
I am very excited about it. And I know people want you to do the charts on Sunday. And I'm going to say it again. You've heard it me first. I spend a lot of time building relationships off air, talking to CEOs, hedge fund managers, Wall Street managers. One day we'll have Brad Garlinghouse on the show. One day we'll have Elon Musk on the show. You can write that down. You can record the video the day I said it. All these things will happen. No question about it. And you learn a great deal when you talk to the people that work there. All right. And I've got a really good feeling about where we're going with Mobix. That's all I'm saying. Nothing. I don't know anything else. Not like I know secret information. I share everything live with you. But when you get to know people, and you will say this, Sensei, when you get to know people that run the projects in your world, the crypto projects, you get to know how they work. And if you got good people, that's 90% of the business there, right there. Because you might have a good product or a good project, but if you've got idiots and bad actors running the thing, it's never going to do well, is it, for the shareholder or the owners? So that, it's very important.